Tama na kayo magkakahangin.
Baby, is that funny? Is mommy funny? Yeah, she's so funny, isn't she? Yes, she is. Yeah, it's so funny. Are you standing up? Are you standing up? Ready? Daddy, diddy to daddy. Yeah. Daddy, diddy to daddy. Woo. Daddy, diddy to daddy.
May magsukain mo.
Is that funny? Is that funny, baby? Yeah. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? May pamakdo tayo ngayon dito sa Pumunta bahay. Diba? It's good that I can sit Nitro on my lap and eat at the same time. Kasi Nitro is not at that age yet where parang hinahawakan niyang lahat. Diba? He just sits there like a good boy and tinitingnan niya lang. Diba? Sarap. Pero in a few months time, bawal na ako mag-ganito kasi hahawakan na niya. Diba? May pa-burger, bebe. Burger for daddy, not for the bebe. Bawal sa'yo, bebe. Yeah, bawal pa. Para kay daddy lang. Yes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
Oh no! Tingnan niyo yung tripod ko. Sira na siya. Nako. Sira na. Bending yung ano ni. Ay nako. Nangyari. Ba't ganun? Kaloka. Hey, sira na yung tripod natin. Sira na bili.
Sa vlog na to, Dwaine the Fam, pupunta tayo sa Megamall. Kasi gagawa na tayo ng passport ni Baby Nitro sa DFA. Diba, bebe? Yes, you're gonna get your passport na, baby. Yes, you are, baby. Yes, you are.
Are you excited, baby? Are you excited, huh? Are you excited, baby? You excited? Huh? Yeah? No, you're crying. You're whingy. You just want me to pick you up, don't you? Yes, you do.
Ayan, guys. So, yan ang plano natin today. Sa wakas, magkakakuha na tayo ng passport para kay Baby Nitro sa Megamall. So, medyo nagbago yung plano natin ng konti. Dati, gusto ko sana magkaroon ng Australian citizenship si Baby Nitro. Napansin ko na mas madali kapag magkakaroon siya ng Filipino passport. Ngayon. Alright? Eventually, pwede siya maging Australian citizen. Pero dahil Philippines yung long-term plan natin, ano na lang muna, Philippine passport lang muna. Para mas madali, para makapag-alis na tayo.
Hindi, kasi kailangan natin kumuha ng dalawang passport. Kukuha kami ng Philippine passport para pag alis niya, hindi siya hihingan ng overstaying na fee. Kung kunin namin foreign passport, magbabayad siya ng overstaying. Kaya kailangan may Philippine passport siya para pag alis, Philippine passport yung ipapakita. Tapos, dun na sa Australia, dun na ipaprocess yung Australian citizenship niya.
Yes! Yeah, so pag nasa Australia na tayo, we can apply for Australian citizenship there na lang.
Citizenship. Lumagay ka na sa akin.
So Philippine passport na lang muna. I mean, it's not as if anyone's gonna be able to travel overseas that often anytime soon anyway, diba? So Philippine passport na lang muna, and then when he's older, we can get an Australian passport, whatever. Depende, no?
No, pina-process mo while we're there, di ba?
Yung citizenship. Pero Australian passport, wag na lang. Philippine passport na lang muna. Alright guys, so alis na tayo. Papuntang Megamall na tayo. Kita-kits dun. I don't think we can film sa loob. Pero we can film our journey there.
Bibi.
Ayan. Alright, let's get started with the animated intro. And bakit?
Pakita mo yung damit niya. Thank you, Miss Beverly. Tingnan nyo. Naka-shirts na siya. Tsaka may polo.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Okay, Dwaine the Fam, we're back. We just got back from Megamall and grabe. Grabe, sobrang hassle. Bangungot yun kanina eh. Bangungot. Isa lang ang na-achieve namin. May passport photo na po si baby. Yun lang po ang in-achieve namin. Ayan, passport photo niya. Kakatawa, no? Sobrang mahirap mag-process ng anything ngayon. Lalo na pagdating sa government, no? Dahil sa virus na to. So, pumunta kami sa Megamall sa DFA. Naglalakad kami. Siyempre, naka-face shield, naka-mask kami. Si baby walang mask. Kasi bawal mag-mask ang baby. Bawal na po. Okay, i-clarify ko to. Sa lahat ng nagtatanong, nagka-comment na nasaan yung mask ni baby, bawal mag-mask ang infant. Kasi 3 months old pa lang siya. Dito, basahin natin. Sabi ng Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in America, it is extremely important to note that the CDC specifically states that cloth face coverings should not be placed on young children under 2. It also says here, even before this recommendation, homemade masks were being produced by talented and creative people worldwide to help with the pandemic and shortage of PPE. These skills are appreciated, but should not be marketed for babies and infants to wear. These products, infant masks, masks attached to pacifiers, etc., may pose more harm than benefit in terms of safety for children under the age of 2 years old. Oh, diba? So, bawal talaga mag-mask ang baby. So, yun, lumabas kami. Nakahawak ako sa baby. As in, lahat tumitingin sa amin. Lahat ng dumadaan sa amin, tumitingin sa amin. Pagdating kami sa Megamall, sabi ni guard na, ay, bawal po ang baby sa loob. Sabi ko, paano namin i-process yung passport niya sa DFA? Kailangan yan eh. Kailangan kami papasok sa mall kasama si baby. Tanong si guard, bakit walang mask si baby? Kasi nga, bawal mag-mask ang baby. Nakakainis, no? So, nakapasok kami. Habang kami naglalakad, as in lahat ng tao tumitingin sa amin. Akala siguro nila na nag-enjoy kami, na gala-gala kami kasama ni baby. Hindi ganon. Kundi kailangan kami pumunta doon kasi we have to be there in person with the baby sa DFA. Hindi pwedeng online lang lahat. You have to go there in person for the passport. So, yeah, yun yung nakakainis, nakaka-stress din. Sa wakas, dumating na kami sa DFA. Kahit nasa loob na kami ng mall, nilalapitan kami ng mga guard. Nagtatanong, bakit may baby? Bawal ang baby? Ganun. Oh, paano kami nakapasok sa mall? Yun, pagdating na kami sa DFA, sabi nila, di ba nakapila kami sa courtesy lane. Sabi ng mga staff doon, kailangan may appointment po. Sabi ko, sa website nyo, sabi doon sa website nyo, kapag courtesy lane, hindi kailangan ng appointment. Diretso ka, walk-in ka. Nag-courtesy lane kami dahil infant si baby. Dahil less than 1-year-old siya. Sabi nila, hindi nagbago na dahil sa pandemic, kailangan may appointment kahit courtesy lane. Sabi ko, after all that, we just have to come back home and go back again sometime. Buti na lang, dumaan kami sa Photoshop at least may na-accomplish kami, and that was taking baby's passport photo and Shanta's passport photo din para sa visa niya. So yun, at least may na-accomplish kami dun. Na-accomplish namin para sa Australian Embassy. So yun. Sobrang hassle ngayon. So nag-email na ako, humingi ako ng schedule kung kailan kami pwede mag-set ng appointment sa courtesy lane sa DFA. So yun, antayin po natin yung reply nila. And then we have to do that all over again. Going outside in Manila with a baby is a nightmare. Buti na lang he was a very good boy, hindi siya umiyak. Umiyak si baby nung umuwi na kami. So nasa labas na kami, umiyak na siya. Natakot siya sa sounds ng mga kotse na dumadaan. Alright guys, so stay tuned sa sunod na video natin. Alright, we'll keep you updated dito sa ating YouTube channel and Facebook page. Alright guys, salamat sa panonood and kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Pumunta. Bye for now.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling.